Which device is used to produce a hard copy of a document? Printer. Which type of printer uses pins to strike an ink ribbon? Dot matrix printer. Which printer provides the highest quality text printing? Laser printer. Which of the following printers uses toner powder? Laser printer. Inkjet printers are use liquid ink to print characters. Which printer is best for printing large engineering drawing? Plotter. The speed of a printer is measured in lines per minute. Which of the following is an impact printer? Dot matrix printer. DPI stands for dots per inch. Which printer is more suitable for printing receipts? Thermal printer. Which component has to temporarily print jobs? Print wafer. What is a printer driver? Software that controls the printers. Which printer can print multiple copies of a carbon paper? Dot matrix printer. Which of these is a non-impact printer? Laser printer. The print head in a dot matrix printer contains needles. Which of these printers uses heat-sensitive paper? Heat-sensitive paper. Thermal printer. Which port is commonly used to connect a printer? USB. ppm in printer speed means page per minute. Which printer is typically used in banking for passbook printing? Dot matrix printer. Which part holds the paper in a printer? Trim. Which of the following printer uses CMYK colors? Inkjet. Which type of printer is quiet and produces high quality images? Laser printer. Which printer uses electrostatic charges for printing? Laser printer. What is the main disadvantage of an inkjet printer? Expensive ink cartridges. Which part of a laser printer fuses the toner to the paper? Fuser unit. A plotter is mainly used for drawing graphics. Which printer type sprays ink through nozzles? Inkjet printer. Line printers are used in large organizations. What does a triple duplex printer do? Print on both sides of paper. Which of these is an example of a portable printer? Thermal printer. A small type of size of printer. This type of printer uses a ribbon dot matrix printer. Which of these printers has the lowest printing cost per page? Laser printer. What is the main function of a printer spooler? Manage print jobs in queue. The resolution of a printer refers to clarity of print. Which of the following is not a print type? LED is a printer type because it is a TV. Which type of printer uses static electricity and hot heat? Laser printer. Which of the following is the fastest printer? Line printer. Which printer part transfer the image onto a paper in a laser drum? Which printer produces the best photo prints? Inkjet printer. What does a printer cartridge contain? Ink or toner? A printer connected over Wi-Fi is called a network printer. Which printer uses a print head to move across the page? Inkjet printer. What is a spooling in printer? Process of storing print jobs temporarily. Which of the following uses a rotating drum to print? Drum printer. Which type of printer is suitable for continuous paper printing? Dot matrix printer. Which printer can print in color and black and white both? Inkjet printer. What is the full form of PCL in printers? Printer control language. Which component in a laser printer collects toner particles? Waste toner or which type of printer is used in lithium? Thermal printer. Which printer is best for low cost home printing? Inkjet printer.